Hi, I'm Phil Ross. I'm a marine ecologist at the University of Waikato, and for the last year we've been monitoring pipi populations out here at Paritaha, centre bank in the middle of Tauranga Harbour. The reason we've been doing this is because a couple of years ago, as part of the Port of Tauranga's expansion program, they went through a widening and deepening of the channel, and one of the consequences of that was that pipi populations living on the side of Paritaha were dredged away, and there's a real concern that these populations may not recover. And so what we've been doing is going out. For the last year we've been monitoring these populations, trying to understand if they're recovering, and if they aren't recovering, seeing what can be done to facilitate that recovery. Pipi are important for a number of reasons. Firstly, for the ecology of the harbour. They play an important role in filtering the water. They're also a food source for other animals in the harbour, crabs, fish, stingrays, and those animals in turn are food for other bigger animals. At the same time, they're important for people. Being able to go out and get a feed of pipi, it's something that people have done for a long time, and it's important that these populations recover so that people can continue going out and getting a feed for years to come. So what we did is, prior to the dredging starting, we went out, we chose 3 areas along the side of the channel, and we dove down and we collected pipi from depths of about 13 metres, 10 metres, 5 metres, and right up in the shallows at 2 metres. So we collected those pipis using sediment corers. We collected 10 cores of pipi from each depth, and those pipi were brought back to the laboratory, and there we counted and measured the pipi. Following the dredging, the surveys we did, we found that there were far fewer pipi than there had been before the dredging, which is what we expected, but immediately we started seeing large numbers of juvenile pipi showing up on these beds. And then over the last 12 months we've seen those pipi grow, and we're now back to a point where there are huge numbers of pipi and they're back at the size they were when we started. So what we've been able to do through this work is confirm our expectations that these pipi populations would recover. We've been able to do this, and this we hope will give some reassurance to the local community that the ecology of the harbour is still intact, and that people will be able to go out for hopefully years to come and get some pipi for a kai.